Oh, oh. Me a old man. The old man on the stage. You see? Sabi this. One make them hate each other. One make them love each other. One make them hate each other. The voice is still there, eh? You get? One thing me want tell all the younger boy them in this world. When me tell you, you have to understand what me tell you. Me try to teach you. Me ask myself, what make a chrang younger boy go for thief? Them thief. You find a chranga man thief. Me ask myself, him use him talent in a bad way. Him use him talent in a bad way. What make him no go for work? Me still a younger boy the way you see me, yeah? You see me, yeah? Me still work day and night. Me work in a me workshop. Me make furniture. Me a old man. You know this? Me a make furniture and everything. No joke. You see me? But you find a younger boy me go thief. Him play around with him life. Them talk about bandulu business. Bandulu business bad. You try to work, you try to do some work and you get money. Them call it dancer. And you get dancer. Dancer. Not if we get dancer. But when you work hard, you are going to get dancer. Me a try to teach all man. Cause me a old man. Being a old man na wisdom. Me head a full of wisdom. Them say me I no see well.